What's up? Oh, we forgot the backlight again. Oh well.
It's okay, we got our spotlight now. It's a nice trout. Yeah, it's on. This might be a redfish. Oh, it came to the top. Red. Redfish keeper? No. Oh, no, not quite. Almost. All right, guys. First fish of the day. Nice little red. What size they gotta be?
16.
Wait, what do you say?
You said 16 or 18? 18. 18. That's
No? About what, about 16?
no, that's smaller than that. That looks pretty tiny.
15 maybe? I hope you got that release. Shit.
Oh, I pulled it.
What are you doing?
I pulled it.
Oh my goodness.
All right, everybody. So we are lucky enough to have friends that have bait traps, crab traps. There's a couple in there.
Yeah.
So we're trying to go fishing today. That's actually perfect. Those are all perfect.
We're not gonna take them all. We're gonna take a couple of smaller ones.
A couple of smaller ones.
Like that one, that one, that one.
So we're trying to go. The wind's kicking everywhere. It's real windy out here. We needed a couple crabs for some bait. No one else has anything. So this is what we're doing. It's the high tide if you can't tell. So this is what we got. We're gonna take a couple blues, put them in the buckets.
I don't get bit.
Yeah, let's try not to get it.
Let's see here.
I would go on the back right corner.
This guy?
Yeah, no, not him.
Him?
Yeah. He's like the second smallest.
Yeah.
Maybe one more.
one?
Yeah, one more.
I feel like he's gonna bite.
So, yeah, he might bite you. Yeah, get that on camera.
Let's not get that on camera.
Oh. So we got 3 crabs. I'm gonna put that back in there, leave those for our buddy, and get off this wet dock and go cast some lines, y'all. So stick with us and let's catch some fish. Hey guys, so we just got to the Blind Tiger in Biloxi. I got Ashley with me, I got Jimmy with me. Jimmy's tying on a cockahoo on the jig head, and well, we got some 4-ounce weights, fluorocarbon, just some circle hooks. We're gonna be using those blue crabs right there in the bucket. And we're gonna try to catch some redfish. So let's see if we can make it happen, y'all.
This is Karen's property, so let's compare it up.
A balloon? Yeah, sure, John. Balloon. How long have you been living here, my coach?
So this is how you dismember a blue crab. We're gonna use it for bait.
But it's pretty.
It's pretty. So you take the claws off, set them aside. You place your finger right here and your other finger right here. Oh, it broke. Okay, we can use it. That's actually use that for bait. It usually doesn't happen like that. He must have been soft. We're gonna take the apron off. Okay, be a little more gentle. So we're missing that chunk, that's fine. So we'll use this, and that, you usually take this part off right there. We got some more bait. All right, and you can take the little fingers off right here. Fingers, the legs. There you go. Piece of bait. Let's go. So you want to set your drag a little loose so it can run. Doesn't feel any resistance. And then you hear that drag screaming? Tighten your drag down. It's a circle hook, so you just let it go, and then you start reeling on them. Make sure that hook gets set really good. be a catfish.
OMG.
Maybe. Move this. Oh no. Oh. Yep.
And that is how you catch catfish, guys.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I think it's time to go.
All right.
We'll reel this one in.
I caught a catfish. Yay us. All right, so yeah, I don't know what to say about this. I guess we'll throw him back and go do something else. Catfish. We're in Homestead, Florida.
I think we're closer to Miami.
Okay, closer to Miami. We got this little, whatever you call it.
Little canal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a gentleman just told us there's a peacock over here and there's some peacocks over there. We're gonna give it a shot. So, come on.
Look at this water biz, y'all.
I don't know if it's deep,
That's crazy.
5 foot through your
Here, let me try to put my glasses in there. There you go. Look at that fizz, guys. It's like clear. It's a bit, I mean, I got trash in there, but as far as the viz is, it's beautiful. It's insane.
Oh, we're swimming. Look at that iguana underwater. Look at him. You see him, Ash?
What the hell?
You see him?
And a bass. The bass here?
Yeah, drop that down. Drop that down. What's up, guy?
It looks so dumb.
They look so dumb, she said.
It's cute though.
It's cute. It's a big aquarium. This is so cool. Yo, I've never seen anything like this. I love this. I wish we had this back home. There's just so much life in there.
Dude, even the ditches are cool.
The
What?
ditches are cool. Exactly. I wish our ditches were cool. Look, iguana right over here. Another peacock right there. Throw him, throw him. We probably need to put fresh bait on there, Jimmy. Oh my God, that was...
Open the bell, damn it.
Open the bell, Jimmy. You need to lead him, yeah.
Yeah, it's not gonna sink fast enough.
No. He's dead. You need to... Oh, GoPro sucks at picking that up. We tried. We did. Tried. It's pretty.
You guys really want to see it good?
Yeah.
If I can zoom in good. There you go.
Ooh, there it is. Dang, that's a beautiful one. We heading in, y'all. See you at the dock.